Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Now, Lori has requested a video to help with walking, okay? So stretching and strengthening those muscles that we need for walking. So that's what we're gonna do today.
Sounds
we're gonna
good.
do stretching,
Important.
some strength training, and then also some after workout, after walking stretching.
All that.
Okay, yeah. And you don't need any equipment for this workout, but you may wanna be near like a sturdy chair or countertop or table, because you may want to use that for stability.
Stability.
Okay? All right, any questions?
Not yet. Let's
All right,
go.
Let's get walking. All right? All right, so we'll take a quick pause here and get started with our workout. Okay, so we're gonna start with some stretches, dynamic stretching, okay, that you should do before any type of walking or any type of exercise, okay? So we're gonna start with leg swings. So Mom, you wanna face your chair, all right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some leg swings. So you're gonna be standing there and then you're gonna just move your leg across your body, okay? All right, just like that.
Okay.
Okay, like 10 on each side, okay?
No time to play, buddy.
Good, 4, 5, good, 6, yep, like 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Okay,
nice.
we're gonna switch legs now. Okay, switch legs across. Go. 1, good. 2, 3, good. 4, 5, my, oh my, 6,
Relax.
7, 8, 9, and 10. And rest, Mom. Oh, he's in a very playful mood.
Yeah.
We're catching him in the morning here, so he's very, very playful. All right, so very nice. So same thing, so stand by your chair. Next thing I just want you to do is leg swings forward like this, okay? Good, yep. And I'm doing this without holding on to anything, which is really
Show off.
challenging my balance. But honestly, when I do this before I run, I actually hold on to something, you know, because I really want to isolate my hips here that are opening up. So really, you're opening up your hip flexor, you're loosening up your glutes and hamstrings here, really nice. Okay, and stop, let's do the other side. Hold on, let's go. Yeah, swing it. Feel your hip open up, Mom?
Yep.
I actually like to do this during the day because, you know, a lot of us are sitting all day. It's just nice to just open this hip area up. All right, give me 4 more. 4, good. 3, 2, and 1, really nice. Okay, so while we're standing here, let's just pedal our feet, okay? Just pedal your feet, just like you're walking. Like slow motion.
Slow-mo. Yeah.
Remember like $6 Million Man?
Yeah.
He's like, na 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 na, na na na, right?
I don't know how many people remember that.
I'm dating myself.
Then they
everyone.
had the Bionic Woman.
That's right. I am
Of course,
really
we're
dating
all
myself.
bionic now.
That's right. Well, that's true, right?
Yeah.
It's amazing what technology has enabled us to become and do. All right, really good. Okay, so that's pedaling your feet, really loosening up the ankles and your calves and your toes and your feet. I love that one.
Okay.
Okay, next one we're gonna do is just stepping it back, working on opening up these hamstrings and glutes, okay? Waking everything up,
Okay.
okay? Because when you think about what you're doing when you're walking, you're doing this motion, right?
Yeah.
So it's good to kind of warm things up.
Yeah.
Okay? And you don't often think about stepping back, so it's really good to exercise and stretch out these muscles. Okay? Give me 4, good. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Really nice. We're gonna end this little warm up by just doing some hip circles. Okay? Further opening up these hips. 3 and 4, and let's reverse it. Good. 2, 3, and 4, and rest. Very, very nice. Okay, we're gonna take a pause here and get started with some exercises to strengthen those muscles we need for walking. Okay, now we're gonna do some strength training, all right? So we're gonna start with a mini squat. So Mom, you wanna face your chair? Okay, and all we're gonna do is just stand with our feet hip width apart, right? And we're gonna sit that butt back and come up. Just nice little mini squat. Okay, good. And up, good. That's 3, good. This is 4, nice. And 5. If you want to do a deeper squat with me, you can. This is 6.
It's a good toilet move, folks.
Uh-oh. Just getting up or down, or are you more specific? Good. 8, good. 9, all right. 10, I want you to give me 2 more, okay?
Good.
11, one more, sit that butt back, and 12, and rest. Ooh, did you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, really working those glute muscles and actually the hamstrings working too. All right, so take a breather, take a breath, and exhale. All right, so you remember that move.
Right.
Next thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna squat it down, we're gonna hold it. We're gonna do an isometric hold, okay? So you're gonna be strengthening your muscles without moving them, all right, everyone? So squat it down, sit your butt back, and hold, okay, for 10, 9, good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, come on up.
Yeah.
Did you feel that?
Yeah. Felt it in my back too.
Well, you should feel it in your glutes, okay?
Yeah.
I don't want you to feel it in your back. That means you need to sit your butt back further, okay? Bend your knees and sit back, okay? All right, so let's just try that again. I'll look at your form this time, okay? So breathe, everybody. Take a breather. But you're really, again, by not even moving, you're engaging those muscles, okay? And especially working on these stabilizer muscles in your body. Okay, so stand a little bit closer to your chair, okay? All right, great. I want you to hinge, yes, and hold, okay? Head up, good. Hold it. On your knees, good. Hold, hold, hold. Breathe. Squat and hold. And you know, if you want more challenge, you can go a little deeper. Ooh, oh boy. Hold it for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, some pointers. Your weight should be in your heels when you do that move to really feel your glutes and your hamstrings engage. All right? Okay, so nice job. No more squat holds.
Thank you.
However, we are going to be working that back muscles again. So I want you to stand facing your chair. And all I want you to do, feet hip distance apart, is step it back, 1 and forward. Okay? Step it back and forward. Good. Yep. And the standing leg is slightly bent.
Right.
Okay? And your hips are facing forward. Okay? If you can get a little lift on that leg, that's fine, but if you can't, just step it back. Again, we're working that whole posterior chain. Good. Breathe, everyone. 5 more. 5. Breathe. 4. 3. Good. 2. And 1. And rest. Ooh. You feel that on your standing leg?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That.
Oh yes. Okay. Breathe. We're going to do the other side now. Okay? So here we go. Go for it, Mom. Okay. Back. Up. 2. Good. Check your posture, everyone. 3. 4. Breathe. 5. 6. Really isolating.
You can feel it. Yeah.
Yeah. 7. 8. 9.
Standing leg.
And 10. Yes. We love to work the standing leg and the working leg at the same time. So really, really nice. Okay. Breathe. Take a breath. Really working this lower body here. All right. So I want you to face your chair again, or you can actually stand there. We're just going to do heel raises, okay? Working the calves here, okay?
Right.
Up and down. I just want you to do 10. Here we go. 10, 9, breathe. 8, 7. Whoo, feeling it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Shake that out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Okay, nice work. All right, did a lot of glute and hammy work here. All right, so the next move we're going to do is just a lateral lunge. Okay, so I want you to have feet wider than hip distance apart, and actually, you probably want to stand back a little bit, Mom. Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, stand back, and all I want you to do is just shift your weight to one side, knee over ankle. Okay, and up, and then shift the other side.
Yeah, I gotta hold on. Yeah.
Yep, and up.
Yeah.
Okay, and wider feet, Mom. Wider feet. There you go, wider. Okay, knee over ankle. Okay, good. Oh, hello. Are you sleepy? Hi, yes. Oh, yes, he's tired. I think he's getting sleepy. Okay, over to the side. You notice I'm slightly hinging at the hips when I'm doing this, and up. Come on up, and go to the other side. Okay, yep. Knee over ankle. Yep, this one should be straight. Yeah, good. And up. Hi, how are you? Yes, you want to work out with it? Yes, I know, right? Yeah, we're stretching. You want to stretch with us? Want to stretch with us? Yes.
Your nap time.
Hello.
Yeah.
Are you sleepy?
Your nap time.
Okay, and come on up, everybody. Whew, nice work. All right, so good work. on strengthening muscles needed for walking. Next thing we're gonna go into is just sort of cool down stretches you can do after walking, okay? Take a quick pause here.
You're not gonna scratch me no more, buddy.
Okay, so let's stretch it out. You just did your walk and you're like, ooh, I need to cool it down. And really, it's very important to stretch out your muscles after you walk, okay?
Absolutely.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is an IT band stretch. So your iliotibial band is connective tissue that goes from your hip to your knee, and you can often get tight, okay? So here's the stretch. So you're standing next to a chair or a mochi, all right? So you got your outside leg here. Hold on to the chair, Mom, okay? Outside leg. Outside foot goes behind your standing leg, okay? Yeah, your foot actually comes here.
Mine doesn't reach.
That's okay.
I got short legs.
That's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, you want your toes to be facing forward. That's fine. That's perfect. And then you want to bring this outside arm up, and then you want to kind of kick your hip out. Kick your hip out a little bit. Okay, so you're like bending. Do you feel this here?
Yep.
You should feel the stretch.
Yep.
Here. Okay, and we're gonna hold this. Ooh, you can hold this for 30 seconds. All right, to really feel that stretch. And breathe, everyone. Let's hold it for another 10 here.
Keep your legs straight.
Yep, legs are straight, everybody. Like these nice long stretches.
Yeah.
After you walk, feels really good. And come out of it. Ooh. Really, really nice, everyone. Okay.
It's a tough one.
That should feel this nice stretch on the outside of your hip here. Okay, so we have to do the other side. So I want to change this chair on the other side. I'm going to do that for you. Okay. All right. So we're doing the same thing. So the outside leg comes behind the inside leg. Okay. Yep. That's right. There you go. Legs straight. That's right. Okay. And that outside arm comes up, and we're just going to kick that hip out, lean. All right. Ooh. Feel that. Ooh.
This is not an easy stretch.
Well, if you need this IT band stretch, this is one standing stretch you can do.
It's really balanced.
And balance, that's why you have the chair there to hold on to. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's hold it for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and come out of it. Oh. That felt good.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Very nice. So I move that over. Good. And now the next one we're going to do is our hamstring stretch. We do this one all the time. You can do this standing. You can do it seated. Right. You want to do this one standing?
Yeah.
One leg straight out, heel down, toe up, and reach. Don't have to touch the toe. Yeah. Always say that. Okay. But after you walk, very important to do this stretch. Yeah. And you can even, put your foot on a step. To do this stretch as well. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hold. Breathe, everybody. Breathe. Okay, nice. Oh, I love this stretch. And come out of it. Very nice. Okay. Whoo. Okay, let's switch sides. Other leg. Heel down, toe up, and stretch. Only fold over to the point of just feeling tension, that's all, okay? And breathe. Okay, nice. I like to hold these stretches long if you can. Really stretching those muscles out and cooling it down. And come on up. Ooh, very nice. Okay, let's go right into that calf stretch that we love so much, okay? My mom likes to do this one against the wall. Yeah. I will do this one here. Ooh, standing. Hips facing to my left. Okay. And if you want to put your arms up, that's fine too. This is like a yoga move here.
Yeah.
Okay. Heel down in the back, leg straight.
This is like a plank, almost.
Well, not really. You should be standing upright. You should be feeling it here.
Oh, that's true.
Right? Okay. And step it in. Let's do the other side. And up. I'm just putting my arms up. You don't have to put your arms up if you don't want to. Okay. Heel down, back leg straight. knee over ankle in the front. Nice calf stretch. Oh, and also opening up the hip flexor. And breathe, everybody. Whew, let's hold it for another 10, 9, good, 8, 7, good, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it in. Nice work. Okay, so while we're here, well, actually, I want you to sit down now.
Okay.
Want to sit? Okay, and this is where I want you to actually take your shoes off, okay, for this stretch.
Really?
Okay, yeah. Shoes off, everybody.
No holes, please, in socks.
No holes.
But if you do.
That's right. Okay, so while my mom is taking off her shoes here, I'm going to demonstrate. Basically what we're going to do is, you can do this either standing or seated. You're going to take one foot and you're just going to put the top of your foot on the floor with your toes down. Think about it. You don't really do this kind of stretch very often, okay? Okay, so if you're sitting on a chair, right? That's right. And you want to just put your foot down. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
No, it's okay now. Stretching it out.
You're stretching it out, right? Okay. Right, but real gentle. If you feel pain, stop, okay? But you don't ever do this kind of stretch, right? It's actually good for the top of your shin as well, okay? Whew. So very nice. Breathe, everybody. 3, 2, and 1. And good. Come out of it. Ooh, did you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, now switch to the other side. And again, if you're seated, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to put the top of those toes or your top of your foot down onto the floor. Just feel that nice stretch. This actually stretches this front calf as well. You don't think about that very often.
Oh.
Hold it for another 10.
Poor feet don't get no.
That's right. They don't get love, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hands and feet often get neglected with exercise. So yeah. So it's good to give some attention to your hands and feet. Okay, and come out of it. Nice. Okay, sit in your chair solidly. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank God. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to do some little point flex, because since we did that foot stretch, let's give me some circles. That should feel pretty good after that stretch. All right, and reverse it. Oh, yes, nice. And down. Let's do that other foot. Okay, good. Circles. That should feel that feels really good. I feel that in my calf as well. Whew, nice. And reverse it. And come on down. All right, very nice. So I hope that these stretches and strengthening moves for walking are helpful. Remember, always important to do stretching before and after you walk, okay? All right,
Good idea.
Yeah, so thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. And we really appreciate you spending time with us, and we look forward to seeing you real soon. In the meantime, keep moving and stretching.
See you soon.